We are Team CRC Formula Racing, but you can call us Team CFR. And what do we do? Well, in short, we make really awesome race cars. But then again, everything isn't as simple as it sounds. We are a team of 35 highly passionate and really hardworking engineering students from various branches like mechanical, computer science, electronics, and artificial intelligence and data sciences, who have a thirst for learning and are truly dedicated to our team project.
We design, build, test and race a single-seater open-wheel Formula-style race car.
Well, by definition, Formula Student is an international engineering design competition where students like us strive to make the best and the fastest race car they can. Students work on their prototype vehicles, which involves research, design, analysis, manufacture, and testing of their car throughout the span of an entire year. The event consists of various track-based dynamic events like endurance, skid pad, and autocross, and various static events like design present event, costing event, and the business plan presentation.
But again, everything is not as simple as it seems, as Formula Student is a student project team and we students design and manufacture the entire race car from scratch. It involves extensive R&D, costing, documentation, acquiring funds, sponsors, validation, logistics, planning and a lot of teamwork. This includes most of the research and designing, the selection of various components and their assembly, and the whole assembly of the car. Before all this, detailed plans are made by us which span over a whole year. Communication and teamwork becomes necessary here, as we cannot neglect even the smallest of things. Things have to be properly documented at all times, and timelines have to be kept in check.
So why do we do what we do? Is it only because of our passion for motorsport, or do we just want an extracurricular activity throughout our college life?
Well, no and no. There are countless other things that keep us attracted and dedicated to the team. The first and foremost will be the enormous experience that we gain during our tenure. This includes practical application of the concepts we learn in classrooms, experience and approaches by actually implementing the most advanced engineering techniques used in industries, and basically being industry ready even before getting into an industry.
Another important part that we learn in team management is either by hitting or by missing team deadlines. This aspect of team is highly helpful in all aspects of life and help us to get a sense of discipline in our day-to-day activities.
Interacting and working with different kinds of people and being in various situations together and facing all the problems and overcoming them together as a team. All of these help us to be a better team member and eventually team leaders.
All of us at Team CFR believe in evolving each and every year. We want to encounter new challenges that will help us grow even more and help us hone our skills. We want to evolve in such a way that even our world is benefited from.
We are proud to announce that from next season onwards, we will be shifting to making an electric vehicle. The fad of electric vehicles is one of the best trends considering the current climate crisis. The industry, the world is going electric, and we will not be left behind. Our first electric car will be made during the coming months and will be one of the biggest challenges the team has ever encountered, be it from technical point of view or funding.
Electric cars are awesome, but they're definitely not cheap. Unlike our previous seasons, this season is going to be especially tough. Why, you may ask? Well, first of all, the most important part of our project is the budget. And unlike Formula 1, we don't have the luxury to spend extravagantly. And the budget is really tight. Why, you ask? Well, simply put, the task of acquiring enough funds for our car is also on all of us team members only.
As this is our first year going electric, we would require a lot of funds for our new components like battery, motor controller, and motor, etc.
Apart from approaching big companies for sponsorship, we also approach kind-hearted and generous people like you to help us however they can. In this year, we are excited to announce the beginning of our crowdfunding campaign. The campaign is live on our website. You all can definitely go and check it out. This time, we are aiming big with a target of 5 lakh rupees to be hit within a span of 45 days.
Crowdfunding is one of our major sources of funding, and it is all thanks to the people who show their continued belief and support the team. We are really grateful to all of our donors and supporters, and we make sure that each and every donor receives our thanks personally and has something to remember us by.
And so, this is a heartfelt request from everyone here at Team CFR. Please donate to us. No amount is big or small, and trust us when we say every rupee counts. Our dream is a collective dream of 35 other dreams, and you could be someone who plays a major role in fulfilling it. You would not be like you were just an anonymous donor to us, but it would be like you are someone who is a part of our project, someone who believes in us as much as we believe in ourselves.
Not only supporting a group of 35 students, but you are helping groom future engineers of India. So come join us on our mission to help us reach our goal. For we still stand true to our mission to provide a platform for fellow car enthusiasts to innovate, imagine and break frontiers beyond our reach. And as a battle cry goes, let us get ready to rattle, rumble and roll.